Hi, welcome to How Ines Rolls. I am about to go grocery shopping. It is like 9 o'clock at night, so it's a late night haul. So stick around. I'm going to go shopping. Just doing some late night shopping at Walmart. I guess the only drawback to coming late at night is there's no hot dog buns here. There's like hardly anybody here. It's kind of awesome. We just brought everything in, and now I need to show you what we got. Woo, woo. Okay, so I have a lot of stuff that I need to put away, and it's now like 10 o'clock or so. It's getting a little late, so I need to hurry. But I want to start with things that need refrigeration or freezer. So I saw these at Walmart, and look at, it's got yogurt and jam, and it's got granola. So Paul and I saw that and thought, give that a go. So they look good to me. I also purchased some tater tots because I'm thinking about making a tater tot casserole this week. And I also got some potato wedges that were seasoned. So this is the first time I've seen these ones, so they look pretty good. I got these for the little boys. I got 2 boxes. Ezra's really, you know, still acting a little strange with the eating. I got some bruschetta, which is just the cheese, and the boys just cook it up when they want to eat. I also did get some plain yogurts, just individual ones for Paul's lunches. And gotta have my eggs. And I have some sour cream. I actually bought 2, but I'll look for the other one. It's just for, one's gonna be for our fridge, and then one's gonna be for Halloween. I like getting some staples, so I got 4 of the Grandma Sycamores. These ones also had 50-cent coupons on them, so I saved $2 there. It's still cheapest at Costco. I got only a 5-pound bag of chicken, so I will probably either do some grilling or some baking with that. And I also, whoa, calm down here. Also, I got some sausages. These are great for breakfast. I also got some cheeses. You know I love medium cheddar. So these will also go for making some breakfast biscuits for lunches, and also as a garnish for Halloween. I also have the honey butter biscuits. So that's what Isaiah likes to make these for the kids, and Ezra really likes these, so we'll make them with bacon because I do have a pack in there. But I also let Ezra pick these bagel bites. I didn't get a big box, they're just for him, and I thought maybe he could have them for lunch. We'll see. Okay, we're up next to some more stocking up items. So I have these. I got a couple of these different kinds of cereals. These were just $1. So whenever I see them, I do get a few bags. So you can see here, got a few bags. Sometimes my boys put milks. A lot of times they just eat them as a snack. So I just keep them in the pantry. They can eat whatever. Mini pretzels. My kids love pretzels instead of really chips in their lunches. So I mean, we do have chips from time to time, but mostly it's pretzels, and it's cost effective. I was low on some seasonings, and Walmart has these for $1, these 98 cents. I needed some minced onion and some cinnamon. And I really do like getting those from the open bins at Winco, but I forgot the last time I was there. I got some rosemary and some sage for an upcoming recipe. Stay tuned for that. And I've just bought some chili. So I'm making chili with our friends for Halloween. We're doing some trick-or-treating and dinner before, and everybody's kind of bringing something, so I thought I would bring chili. And doing the collab with Noreen, I found that she had a wonderful chili recipe, so I'm using that as my inspiration. But she has this, I can't find this French's seasoning packet that she uses, so McCormick's it is. But I have for that recipe some kidney beans, some pinto beans, some chili beans, and in the freezer I already have some black beans, because if you watched my video with the mummy bread, I used some black beans for the mummy's eyes, and then I put the rest in the freezer for this chili. So that's going to be for that. And then I just stocked up on some corn. I like to have my pantry a little stock, so I just got 6 corns. No big deal. But now I'm on to the next thing, and look, it's starting to dwindle behind me. Okay, so I got some lettuce to make a salad. I thought I could do that tomorrow or the next day. Paul grilled some steaks. This is Friday night. So he grilled some steaks. We have some leftovers, so I'll make a salad. That sounds delicious. Plus, look at these little doodads. They had these in the salad area, like by croutons, and they had some different kinds. I thought this sounded so good because I have an apple dressing, yum, from Panera Bread, and that looks good. They have all these little toppers. I'm loving that. That's gonna make salads delicious. Well, more delicious. I got some more of this pancake mix because if you're following me on Instagram, then you've seen that I've started making candy pancakes. So from our trunk or treat from last week, I've chopped up some candies, the chocolate ones, of course, and I've chopped them up and put them into different pancakes. Then I label the pancakes, put them in the freezer. Boys can take them out as they want, and they don't overdose on chocolate, and neither does this mama. Okay. Bag of carrots, and I got a bag of yummy Honey Crisp apples. So good. I want to be very careful with those. I did get a bag of brown sugar and some more Crystal Light. This one tends to be our favorite one. It's strawberry orange banana. And then I got Ezra some more Go-Go squeezes. These are just apple sauces. If you get them from Costco, they are organic. Why can't everything be organic and cheap like Costco? I also purchased for the chili, I'll be putting in some sausage and some ground beef. Curious about some of the other things that I buy, like some personal hygiene stuff. I use this gel for the little boys, and Paul uses this gel. And then I haven't had hairspray in like a year, so I need hairspray, and I thought, oh, I always forget it, so I use a swab. I don't use aerosol. I like just having some, this is like the dandruff shampoo, that's the Walmart brand. I just like to have it in the showers. Whoever needs it can use it. I think a couple of our boys sometimes needs it depending on the time of year. And then I noticed at the end of the aisles in the men's section, they had undershirts for $10 and undies for $7 for the little boys. So there's a lot in here. So I was so pleased. You just never know what you're going to find at Walmart on clearance. So I was super proud of getting those, because if you ever go to Kohl's or some other stores, they can be like $20 to $25 for these types of things. So whenever I see them on clearance, I just get them. So kids grow too fast, am I right? And last, I got 6 bunches of celery for a couple of days, maybe 3 days of celery juice. Just some more toilet paper and paper towels. I do like these ones because they have the split, so you can make them even smaller. And I just had to get some dryer sheets This is my favorite detergent, and a 10-pound bag of potatoes. And that is it. I'm so happy that I was able to do a late night grocery haul. There was hardly anybody there, which made it super cool to go. Although Paul probably didn't really want to go with me, but that's okay. It was kind of like a date night with Ezra. I also wanted to show you my shirt. It says home means Nevada because today is Nevada Day where I'm at, and it was a day off from school. So woo woo for Nevada Day, even though it's actually on a Halloween. We need to implement that extra day off on Halloween. Am I right? That'd be so much better. Okay, I'm so glad that you stopped by my channel. You could hear it in my voice. It's late at night and I need to get to bed. But I'm so glad you stopped by. Thanks for supporting my channel and visiting. Leave me in the comments what your favorite grocery store is to go to. And do you ever go late at night like that, like I just did? It might be a little more stressful. It might be a little bit better. I don't know. Tell me what you think. And stick around. Just never know what I'll be rolling out next. Bye.